How to fix black screen on iPhone. First, try a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. This works for all recent iPhone series. If your screen stays black, plug in your iPhone and charge it for at least 30 minutes. Even if the screen doesn't show anything right away, a drained battery might just need a little time. Next, inspect your screen for any visible cracks or damage, especially if you've dropped your phone recently. If the iPhone seems on but the display is unresponsive, screen damage could be the issue. To confirm this, connect your iPhone to a computer using a USB cable. If your PC or Mac detects the phone via iTunes or Finder, your device is working, and the problem is likely display-related. You can try putting your iPhone into recovery mode and restoring it via iTunes or Finder, though this may erase your data if you haven't backed it up. If none of these steps work, your iPhone may have a hardware issue, and it's best to visit an Apple store or authorized repair center. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe,